Time for an imported classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics. This one's a 1969 Jaguar XKE, open two-seater, left-hand drive, or we're going to call it a convertible. 4.2 liter power underneath the hood. That's an inline six, should be dual overhead cam. 4-speed manual transmission. This is a very nicely restored car with information communicated between previous owners believed to be original miles at 49,068 on the odometer right now. It is chassis number 1R8322. You can see a beautiful, rich olive color that has been repainted in. Paint shows well. There's a couple real small, maybe little touch-ups or blemishes, but overall, I mean, that's really kind of being fussy on this car. You can see that chrome and the bright work showing well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be well over 100 pictures of this car online. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the knockoff wire wheels, radial tires, Michelin's. Technician did note those are date coded 2008 and 2009, but in very nice shape. Also got glowing reviews from the technician on how this one drives and the condition it was in. I'll go through a few things in just a bit. And if you stick around to the end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So we look down this passenger side, and again, you can see really free of any major nicks or scratches. Neutral colored or tan colored interior bucket seats, center console, there's that 4-speed. Convertible top cover. We will put the manual top up so you can check out the condition of that in just a bit also. Take a look at the chrome on the rear of this car. Of course, the E-type insignia on the back. Jaguar 4.2 liter dual exhaust. A few things that this is going to come with. You'll have the should be like a wooden or composite mallet for getting those knockoffs off. Jack. Jaguar E-Type series brochure, battery charger, looks like a little touch-up paint, some pedal covers. We will put those back in the car and they will go along to the next owner. Again, still pictures. Want to check out anything on this car, around it, under it, every angle, the parts I just showed you. UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, technician stated brake straight, 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. Wipers do work, all three of them on this car. Blower motor was in op. Wanted me to mention that. Very, very slight valve cover weep. If you like these imported classics, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. This car is absolutely beautiful. Look down this driver's side again. Paint is laid on there. It's extraordinary. Very nicely restored and still in very nice shape. Chrome and bright work even. Let's take a look at this interior. All right, they locked me out. All right. We'll reach in and get it open. Door panel. And seats and carpeting. Seat belts, as you can see, intact. And seats in very nice shape also. Yes, you have your natural, just wrinkles. The way a leather hide is going to wrinkle when it is sat in, or it's a pair of shoes if they're worn. It's kind of the same thing. Beautiful, rich interior. I think we need to start this up because we will check out the engine bay also. So there you can see, it's believed to be original miles, 49,068. We're going to choke it just a tad. It's a little bit cold-blooded, I notice. A tad bit of choke. All right, the right key in here. Sorry about that. All right, so like I said, gave it just a little bit of choke. It was a cold start. I'm gonna click that in just a little bit. We should be all right. Fuel gauge working. Temp gauge. Clock. Oil pressure. Here's that is working. Battery gauge. Get it down there where you can see them all. Sorry about that. So fuel, water temp, clock, oil pressure, battery. Of course, the miscellaneous switches. From hazards to map light, interior light, panel lighting, wipers, washer, speed, and we should be all the way in on the choke now. All right, tachometer. Looking over here. God, this car sounds good too. Make sure we're in neutral. Let's try the stereo a second. I did not play around with that. Yep, stereo's working. Sorry, we're out of focus there. Stereo working also. Sounding good. Let me go ahead and get both the hood releases undone. Let's get this hood open and check out this engine bay. And then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, we got the hood open, and I do want to show you this door handle. It does work. It was locked on the inside, so we have it unlocked now. All right, here it is. Good looking engine bay too. Look at that engine. So inline 6. Again, appears to be what, let's say, dual overhead cam. If I'm wrong, correct me. And if you're a Jaguar fan, you know about these. It's a great year for them. Give us some comments down below if you're watching this on YouTube. We always like to hear from the people that have experience with these cars, watching the videos. Give us a little tidbit, some trivia. Fuel carb, of course, that's going to be Stromberg Zenith carburetor setup. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the convertible top up and get the hood closed back up and show you the condition of the convertible top. It is a manual top. I'm going to fold it up, latch it, and we'll take a peek at it. And convertible top up. So manual top, I just folded it up myself. One person can do it in a matter of a minute and a half by the time you latch it and everything, roll up the windows. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Excellent shape. Fabric top. Found this interesting, roll the side glass up and it's almost like there's a built-in drip rail in the convertible top. You don't always see that. You see it on coupes or hard tops, but don't always see a drip rail sewn into a convertible top. Rear nice and clear, not cracked. And around here too, passenger side. So just a few wrinkles from being folded down. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve its purpose just fine. So believed to be original mile 1969 Jaguar XKE open 2-seater left-hand drive, or as we're going to call it again, a convertible. Nicely restored. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful classic, a 1969 Jaguar XKE. An iconic car for its time. The turn signal for left and right are both working. This is a 4-speed manual, which is what you want if you have a sports car like this. This is of course a convertible, and we have the top down today. Sounds beautiful, looks beautiful, drives beautifully. The speedometer is reading low. The tachometer may be correct based on that beautiful engine sound. This car handles great, feels great. I'm 6'1", and I do have the top down, but I fit wonderfully in this car. The wipers work. I just gave it a little choke, turned the key, hit the throttle, shut the choke off, and she's purring like a kid. Beautiful steering wheel with finger grooves on the wooden back, E-type emblem in the middle. It handles the road great. It's absorbing any road imperfections. Looking at it, you'd think that long nose might make it feel different, but it feels good. Maybe it's different in a good way. I'm just gonna leave it in third and get a little force going into the corner. Corners very well. You know, it leans a little as much as you'd like for a 1969. It's a classic car. Beautiful bucket seats, very comfortable. The odds of you passing another one of these when you're driving it around, super slim. Everybody will be looking at you, and it is in a unique color, dare I say. The green that's on it looks really good against the beige interior. Our oil pressure is at 60. The battery's charging over 14 volts. The water temperature is under half, and the fuel gauge is under half. It's all looking great. Definitely look at all the pictures. Give us a call and ask questions about this 69 XKE at uniqueclassiccars.com.